This is Dave South. Checking out your forecast here for tonight. A lot drier, more comfortable, cooler air has moved in behind the front late today, and this evening really quite nice. Overnight tonight, 59, which is 10 degrees colder than it was this morning in Detroit. So that's the difference of the muggy air keeping us warm, the dry air letting us cool off. West winds tapering down as the night goes along here. It's a really, really nice day Thursday. 84, bright sunshine, but still that drier feel. Humidity is not a problem. Northwest winds around 5 to 10. But by the time we get back to the weekend, especially Father's Day, look at these numbers. 87 by noon, low 90s for highs, hazy, hot, and humid. The heat index probably is 95 or 96, maybe even 97 in the afternoon. There's a slight chance for a thunderstorm late in the day. So your 7-day forecast looks like this. 2 wonderful days. Warm, yes, mid-80s, but sunshine, dry feel to the air. Then a little more humid Saturday, then just stinking hot on Sunday and Monday. You can see the shower and thunderstorm chances go up into early next week as well.